Hello friends, welcome to Technical Kernel channel, and in this video I will show you how to hack service server. So first of all, you have to download Lucky Patcher. It is here from the any browser, and then you have to download Surface Server. It is here from Play Store or any other place. So after that, open Lucky Patcher and click Service Server and click on the third option. Then you have to click on the fourth option, that is APK rebuild in app and LVL emulation. So then click rebuild the app. I am skipping this loading. After that loading, you will see this type of pop-up. Then click on go to file and click on uninstall and install. Then you will see this type of pop-up and click on yes, then okay. You can see uninstall in process. Then you have to click on install. I am skipping this installation. Friends, if you get this type of pop-up, then click on this arrow and click on install anyway unsafe. It is not unsafe, it is nothing but your phone required that. So installing, I am skipping this installation. Then click on open. First you will get the date of birth, then you can play or skip the tutorial. I am play tutorial for you people. Then here is a tip: reach goals to win bronze, silver and gold awards. It is the latest version of Service Server. Then select the date and play the tutorial. Down move, fresh moves. Now hoverboard, double tap. Now I will show you the live proof of hacking. Friends, you can see only one app is required to hack Service Server. So the live proof is here. You have to go on home and click on shop, then the store. You can see here are the real money and game money. So I am clicking on this. You can see I buy it. Now you can see I have 5 keys, but by clicking on this I will get 655. You can see that after in your first you have to click on auto repeat purchase with current setting. Then you have to click on yes. We will get this pop-up in first time on every purchase. So thanks for watching friends, and please subscribe my channel.
O munda mera diamond chain, o munda mera